Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to give relationship to tables and constraints. So, we have already created two tables. One is the customer mast and one is the city mast. So, let's give primary key to this customer number. Primary key is used to uniquely identify each column. So, if you want to set primary key, then right click on the column and select set primary key. So this will set primary key to column. Now to create relationship between table, go to Server Explorer, right click on database diagram and click on add new diagram. It will ask for do you wish to create them? Press yes. Select table to which you want to give relationship. Now I have selected two tables, which is customer mast and city mast. My city of customer mast is related with city mast table. So I want to give the foreign key relationship between this customer mast and city mast table. This is the child column which is derived from the city mast table, and this will be the code of city, not the actual name. So I am giving relationship to city mast table primary key, which is city code. So primary key table is city mast and foreign key table is customer mast. Press OK and relationship is given. So this is the way by which we can create database diagram, and database diagram is the representation of relationship between various tables. So this is about giving relationship between tables and constraints. Thank you.